Thinking about learning Spanish? Then stick it out until the end of this video to find out if it's really worth it. Hola, I'm Noe, I'm from Spain, and welcome to Glossika's channel. Did you know that Spanish is the official language in 20 countries with over 559 million Spanish speakers around the world? As one of the most spoken languages in the world, learning Spanish can help you get a job, accelerate your career, and bring new opportunities. By being able to connect with over 500 million Spanish speakers, you'll find a new way to expand your business network, not to mention make new friends, and even find a life partner. First of all, we all know how hard job hunting is. We struggle to stand out from the competition since most of the time we all have the same skills and knowledge, and being able to speak the fourth most spoken language in the world could give you the upper hand. Being able to speak any new language will open up opportunities to scale up your business. If you work in an international environment, there is a big chance you'll meet Spanish speakers, and this will be your chance to strengthen the relationships you have with your coworkers or even your clients. It's no secret that more and more employers are seeking Spanish-speaking employees at home and abroad. But why? One reason is the increase in number of Spanish speakers. And with the growing economies of countries where Spanish is spoken, all sectors need employees who speak both Spanish and English to engage with and accommodate the changing demographics. This means that jobs such as teaching, interpreting, sales, customer service, and others will benefit from the ability to speak Spanish. Being able to speak more languages makes you an asset to your workplace. Employers will appreciate this additional skill, putting you one step closer to a promotion. Did you know bilingual employees can earn between 5 and 20% more money per hour than those who speak only one language? In my own experience, speaking Spanish in a foreign country has helped me a lot find so many opportunities, such as teaching or translating, or sometimes just the opportunities even came without me looking for it, just because of I was able to speak Spanish. So yeah, I will say speaking Spanish will help your career a lot. So what do you think? Did I give you enough reasons to learn Spanish? See you in the next video. Hasta luego!